Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss what landscape architecture is and how it affects our daily lives. Landscape architecture is the design and planning of outdoor spaces, including parks, gardens, plazas, and other public areas. It combines the principles of design, horticulture, and engineering to create functional, beautiful, and sustainable outdoor spaces. Landscape architects work on a variety of projects, from large-scale public parks to small residential gardens. They consider factors such as climate, topography, and soil conditions to create a design that will work well in each specific location. They also take into account the needs of the people who will be using the space, and strive to create environments that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. One of the main goals of landscape architecture is to create spaces that are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Landscape architects use native plants and materials, consider water usage and runoff, and design spaces that support wildlife and biodiversity. In addition to creating beautiful and functional outdoor spaces, landscape architecture also has a big impact on our health and well-being. Studies have shown that time spent in green spaces can help reduce stress and improve mental health, and that well-designed outdoor spaces can even improve physical health by encouraging people to be more active. So, there you have it. Landscape architecture is the design and planning of outdoor spaces with a focus on sustainability, beauty, and functionality. From parks and gardens to plazas and residential areas, landscape architects play a big role in shaping the spaces we use every day. Thank you for watching.